Have you ever had a month where everything just went wrong? The fridge broke, your child fell sick, and then, boom. The car stopped working. No warning, no time to prepare. What do? Swipe your credit card? Ask friends or family? Break your fixed deposit? This is exactly why every Indian household needs an emergency fund. In this video, I'll show you why emergency funds matter for everyone, how much you should ideally save, where to keep the money for quick access, and how to build it, even if you are living paycheck to paycheck. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a real-life story that'll change how you see savings forever. Let me tell you about Ramesh. Stays in Pune, works in IT. He's smart, earns decently, takes care of his family. But in March, he lost his job. His company downsized. No fault of his. Suddenly, EMI, school fees, groceries, everything became a nightmare. His savings, all tied up in FDs and mutual funds. Result, he had to take a personal loan. Interest rate, 13.5%. Ouch. If Ramesh had even 3 months of expenses saved, his story would have been very different. Emergency funds aren't for vacations. Not for gadgets. They're your lifeline when life throws you a bouncer. Think of it like this. You don't buy an umbrella after it starts raining. You buy it before, right? Same with emergency funds. Because emergencies never send invites. Now you'll ask, Ajay, how much do I need? Simple. Minimum 3 months of basic living expenses. Ideal 6 to 8 months, especially if you're the only earning member or have kids.
So if your family spends 40,000 rupees a month, your target is 1.2 lakhs rupees to 3.2 lakhs rupees.
Sounds big? Don't worry, you'll get there step by step. Should you hide it under your mattress? Nope. Here are 3 smart places. Separate savings account, not your main account. Sweep in FD, gives better interest, still accessible. Liquid mutual funds, only if you're comfortable and know how to redeem quickly. Just make sure it's safe. Accessible within 24 to 48 hours. Not linked to market ups and downs. Now, if you're thinking, Ajay, I barely managed to save anything. I get it. But even 500 rupees a week is a start. Sell something lying unused. Cut one outside meal a week. Delay that new phone. You don't need to save it all in one go. Emergency funds grow like plants, a little water daily. Set up an auto transfer on salary day, pay yourself first. Remember Ramesh from earlier? He finally built his fund slowly over 8 months. And guess what? His wife needed surgery recently. They didn't borrow. They didn't panic. They just used the fund and slept peacefully that night. That's real financial freedom. Not flashy, not loud, but powerful. If you take one step today, just one, let it be starting your emergency fund. You'll thank yourself later. Trust me. Tell me in the comments. Do you have an emergency fund? If yes, how much? If not, what's stopping you? And hey, if this helped, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's build smarter money habits together. This is Ajay, signing off. Stay safe, stay prepared.